Here we go, guys, all ready for tomorrow. So I'm going to cut off here and I'll put my UV sterilizer in between both. Okay, so going fishing tomorrow. I'll need all of this: 2 chairs, a fishing net, put the carp on, camera gear, food, the state-of-the-art box, and my professional fishing games. And I want to make it easier to carry it with this small trolley. Trying to open it. There we go. Going to change a bit. So that's about it. Just put a piece of plank, piece of wood, tied it up with some zip ties. Put 2 tubings that I had from my rainwater harvesting system, and I can carry almost everything. Damn, it's even better than I thought. And today I decided to put one of my old UV lamps, UV sterilizer, in between my pump and my waterfall. So I'm going to cut off here and I'll put my UV sterilizer in between both. Still can see the tubings a bit if you look very closely, but well, it's fine. It's not the first thing you see when you pass by. And now I hope it will clear up. I'll try to take a picture every day to show you guys the difference. And now I'm heading out to fish, guys. Rustig, rustig. Ja. Rustig. Ah, doe het omhoog. Doe het omhoog, Imke. Doe het omhoog, leg hem op de mat. Ah ja, dat is een ik kan niet volgen. Miljarden pets! Hey, good morning guys, it's day 2 since I've put in the UV filter, and you're starting to see the Java fern again, as well as a few rocks that are coming out. Don't know if you guys can see those, maybe with the reflection. It's quite visible for me, and small pooling area is starting to clear up a bit as well. And you're starting to see the fish, to recognize them as well, because you couldn't see the difference between gold and Pegasus. But that's fine now. There we go guys, a week later from installing my UV light, and the pond is crystal clear again. I'll give you a few shots of underwater. Now that the pond is clear guys, now that I managed to get the pond clear, I got rid of the algae, but the problem is still at hand. So I use the UV filter, UV light, as well as some product to do in my pond to get rid of the algae, but the fundamental problem is still the same. If I would cut off the UV light, the algae will appear again. Not maybe tomorrow or in a week, but it should appear again. And now my goal is to find a solution for that, and you'll have to check that out in my upcoming video. I'll show you what I did to make my pond not go green again. So thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and see you on my next video. That's it guys, hopefully you enjoyed it. If you want to see other videos like this, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification to be notified every time I upload a new video. See ya, take care.